Gentil mais plus canon?
Huh?
Canon le plus?
I don't speak French.
From Bruges? Plus? T'es sûr?
I don't understand.
T'es sûr?
Okay.
Peux-tu nenal? Bonjour nenal? Penjene?
English?
Pendenjo?
The banjo?
Chanel?
Oh,
Pasquano? Pasquane? Penjeho?
you speak English?
Pendesco? English.
You speak English?
Do you speak English?
You?
Do menage? Pendensko?
Oh yeah.
Pendinglish?
Where are you from?
From Pantamsko.
Pentamscow?
Pantamsko. Pendesco.
You mean like the
Pendesco.
like
Music?
I
Wow.
don't have any music thing near here.
Oh, yeah.
De pay the poo? Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Pendesco. Pendescos? Hey. Manage. Non, non, j'ai. Excusez. Pendesque.
Music.
Music. This is no. This is no.
I don't know.
I don't know. Let's guess no.
Maybe that way.
Okay. Maybe that way. Let's go, no. Would you guys want to see a movie with me?
Not tonight.
I'm nice, but with the right amount of edge. Hey, Roy. Hey, it's me, man. How's it going?
All right.
Hey, Roy, right?
Yep.
How's it going, man?
It's okay.
What are you doing out here?
Dominicano?
Dominicano? Very nice.
Okay.
Feeling nice today.
Okay.
Airwise. I say.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Okay.
You gotta see if you have
See
them.
him like that.
Y'all know where Monchuanto is? Y'all know where Monchuanto is?
No, I get that.
Who?
Monchuanto?
What the hell is that?
Monchuanto is my man.
Oh,
He's like this big.
nah, I don't know my Twato. Yo, I see you.
All right. Excuse me. Is this the bus stop? Is this the bus stop? It is. Will he drop you off before me? Will he drop you off before me?
Sorry?
Will he drop you off first?
I don't know.
Did he take you straight to your house?
I don't know. Why you asking this question?
I've never been here before.
Why you take the... Where are you going?
I'm trying to go to New Jersey.
Oh, that's not New Jersey. Just go to the city.
If I tell him to go to New Jersey, he won't go?
No, they won't go.
At 12.
He has a route.
I tell him where I live? I have a few bucks.
No, this bus will not take you to New Jersey.
Okay.
Will not.
What if I pay him? I have $5 on
You
me.
can't. You can't. You don't work for him.
What's that?
He doesn't work for you. He works for the city.
Well, I give him $5.
No, that's not doesn't make any difference. He has a route for the city,
Okay.
designated route.
Okay. And
You
you?
cannot make it change. It's official. They gotta go somewhere else because it's a route they have to go.
Do you know the driver?
Of course not. I mean, why you ask? Where are you
I don't know.
from,
I'm
man?
from France.
Yeah, but you kind of question. In France, do you know every driver in France?
My dad's the ambassador.
Eh?
My dad's the ambassador.
So my dad is the president of the United States.
That's not true.
That's right.
Oh, but my dad is the ambassador.
Well, I don't know.
I got $5.
I don't know how good luck. That is nothing to do with taking.
I don't know. All right. Thank you. What are you guys hauling? What are you hauling? What are you hauling in the back? What are you hauling? Yeah. Food? Food for me? Cocaina.
Yeah.
Is that good?
Yeah.
You cook it in the cocaina?
Yeah.
Put it, I stick it up my cococino. I stick it all up my cococino. Let me get a ride. A ride in the back? Huh? Money? I need money too. Give me a ride and money. I stick it all in my cococino. Cococino. You lost?
No, I'm waiting for my son.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. You look lost. No offense.
But I don't live here, so.
Okay.
And he told me to meet him at Caliente Cab, and I was thinking it was a cab company.
Oh no.
So it's just like,
Your son wouldn't do you like that. This is the place right here.
yeah. So that's why I'm just like, that's why I probably look a little confused.
Right.
So I asked him, should I get a table? Sure. So this must be it.
This must be it. Grab one of these suckers.
Yeah.
And you're matching it a little bit, yellow on yellow.
Well, there you go.
You got blue eyes, blue and blue. I see it's all
color coordinated.
color coordinated,
Yeah.
blue and gold. Where are you hailing from?
Wisconsin.
Oh, Wisconsin.
Yes, and yourself?
I'm from Chicago.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Midwest as well.
All right. So how long have you been out here?
I've been out here for 3 minutes.
Oh, you just got out
I
here?
just got out of the cab and got myself a cup of coffee.
Well, there you go.
Here we are.
I've been here overnight. My son lives out here, so.
That's wonderful. What does he do?
He is a struggling artist right at the moment.
Oh, I hate that he's struggling.
Yeah, but he's works like at Barry's boot camp, and then he's actually coming from a catering job.
He's in boot camp?
Well, he does boot camp.
Okay.
He's a smoothie manager, so.
Wow.
But he's got his personal trainer's license and hopes to kind of start focusing that way a little bit.
Great. Well, you guys have plenty of catching up to do.
Yeah.
Get yourself a table for two.
Alrighty.
Take care.
Thanks. It was nice chatting with you.
See you later. Okie dokie. You shouldn't smoke, partner. You shouldn't smoke.
Oh no, I like this one.
You like to?
I like this.
It's gonna kill you though.
I know. Well, we gotta die for something, right?
I guess so. I never thought about it like that.
Sooner or later, we're gonna have to wind up dying.
I'm gonna go get a pack of cigarettes. Thank you guys so much for waiting to eat at my restaurant. And thank you guys so much for enjoying my restaurant.
Is your restaurant?
Yes, I own it. So thank you guys so much for enjoying. How was your food? It was good?
You're eating Starbucks?
Yeah, I was on my break. I was just managing all the paperwork.
Oh, okay.
And we were thinking about hiring a new guy. So I had to get some coffee. I was pretty exhausted. But I'm glad you guys are enjoying your... Are you guys going to be seated soon? You already ate?
Oh, we just grabbed coffee.
Great. Hey, I understand.
Right.
Gotta be perked up.
Yep.
Do the job right.
Pastries do look good though.
They are. Go in there. Have one on the house. Tell them that Marcus sent you.
Marcus?
Yep. He's the guy who poured my coffee, and we're pretty close, and he's affiliated with the people who supply the bread in there.
Okay.
All right, partners.
Appreciate it.
Giddy up. Hey. Hey, Cooper. Coop?
Nope.
Oh, you're right. So sorry. Hey, can I have $100?
No.
Please? I really need it.
Leave me alone.
I was hoping to get just a lot of ice cream. What about $50? Just 50?
You go away.
My $10 is my final offer. Would you please give me $10? Excuse me, ladies and gentlemen. I don't mean to interrupt. I just ask tonight that you grant me safe passage from this side of the train to the other. Thank you so much. You've been very gentle. I'm almost done. I don't mean to bother you. I don't mean to interrupt. I'm simply a commuter commuting my way through the inside of this train. I'm going to ignore the rules on this door and go through them. I burped a little while earlier.
Sweet.
All right, watch out. It's in the way. It's in the air now. Hey man, I burped over there. All right, just a heads up.
Cheers.
Thanks.
It was like kid.
I burped over there a little bit. Just a heads up. I burped. It's in the air. Yeah, I burped over there that direction a little while back. So if it blows down here, just a heads up.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hey, I don't know if you guys ordered yet, but I just want to say to try the lentils.
Oh yeah.
Yes. You already ate?
No.
Oh, okay. Yeah, sprinkle on some lentils. You won't be sorry. Yeah. Excuse me. Do you know where this guy is, Menswanto? He's like this big. He was last here.
I have no idea.
What
are we looking for?
He's got
Swanto, I have no idea.
Menswanto. He's got a ponytail, but in the front.
Definitely don't know who that is.
He's a bald dude with a ponytail in the front. He's like this big. I think he was last here. You don't know where Menswanto's at? Could you just point me in the nearest Starbucks?
Right there.
Right up the block. Next block up.
Next block and then up?
Go straight up. You're gonna run right back. Run into it. Straight up.
If you
The
see,
guy you're talking about is on that corner too.
The next corner.
okay.
Going straight up.
Well, if he arrives here, will you point him towards Starbucks?
I will.
He's got a really long ponytail over
I
his
think I
mouth.
would have missed that description that you just gave me.
Okay. Hey, how's it going?
All right, man. How you doing, bro?
Good, thanks. Is it safe today?
Say that again.
Is it safe today?
It's always safe.
Okay.
What's the matter? You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
Nah, I got a bench over there.
Hey, how you doing, bro?
Good. Just enjoying the afternoon and
Hey, man, we've got two couple of days now that it look pretty good. So
yeah, I'm hoping that this is here to stay. The weather flirts.
we got some rain late tonight around 12.
How do you know?
Yeah, some stuff, but not crazy. But and then Mother's Day is going to be raining too. So.
It's always raining on Mother's Day, brother.
So take this day and enjoy it, brother. Enjoy it.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, man. Have a good
Appreciate it. Benoît, je n'ai pas pelu donner nos monstres. De pelu de nos monstres. No ménage.
哪个这个猜哪个这个？
China. China. Au mescouche. Pen quoi? No ménage. China.
China.
China. China. No ménage.
你先向佢講喎。
Dans les ménages. Pensko. Ménage.
唔識英文點講啦？
Pen quoi?
猜檔識呢個。
Ah si.
睇到呢英國樓嘅，
Un ménage. Pen quoi?
做翻啦嗰啲啦。
Metz quoi? Ménage. What's that, a snake?
Ew.
What is it?
Ew.
Is that a snake?
No, it's a bird. Ew. Ew. Yeah.
All right. Bonjour. Je nettoie les mendo. Menatois? Pienche?
I didn't know it.
Miensquan da toi. Like, Blou, 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 blou. Ménage? And toi?
No English.
Pen,
No
pen,
English.
na English.
Yeah.
Ménage de bouche. Fish? Fish count?
I don't know.
Gracias. This is Little Italy?
No,
No, it's China.
What is this?
this is Chinatown.
Oh, duh.
Like 3 blocks up the left.
Oh. Is this a big group? Is this free to enter? Is this free to call? You guys looking at art?
Siamo italiani.
Oh, Italiano.
Non capiamo, non parliamo inglese.
Ah, sì.
Italia, tu capisci italiano?
No.
No? E
No.
neanche noi capiamo a te?
No entiendo.
Neanch'io.
Neanch'io.
No, neanch'io.
Esteban.
Sei Stefano.
Stefano.
Stefano. Io
Stefano.
Maria. Bravo
Maria?
Stefano.
Stefano.
Stefano, genero mio. Stefano, Italia.
Italia. Milan.
Varese.
Ferese.
Vicino Milano. Vicino.
Vicino.
Vicino, vicino.
Vicino is a pueblo.
Eh?
It's like a township.
No, poi pretende troppo sto ragazzo.
Grazie.
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 No. Sei qua in vacanza? Vacanze, bravo.
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 Bravo. Rude.
Sei, tu non capisci niente, capisci? Good gat.
Oh.
Guarda come sei capace che tu capisci, piano piano capisci.
Capisce pesce.
Capisci a me.
Capisce me.
Bravo.
Stefano.
Stefano, capisci a me.
Maria.
Maria.
E tu?
Luigi.
Luigi.
Mm.
Luigi, Maria e Stefano.
Ma tu sei qua da solo?
Solo.
Solo,
Solo.
Mannaggia, niente, ragazza.
I got nothing.
Niente,
No.
hai fatto bene.
Fatto bene.
Ciao.
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 Ciao. Hi. Can I have $100? Please? I want to buy a nice watch. What?
Get a job.
But I don't want to work.
Welcome to my life.
Thank you. How you doing in your window?
Good. How are
Yeah?
you?
Good, thanks. You baking some bread?
Making sandwiches.
You making people sandwiches?
Yes.
You make Reubens?
No, I make my own creations.
Oh, these are yours.
Yes.
An egg roll. CBD. Basque Country, and oh boy. Smoking, those are some names. Some great names.
Great sandwiches. These are great names.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And how long have you been making sandwiches?
3 months.
3 months? How is it so far?
Good.
You learned about mayonnaise yet?
Sorry?
Have you learned about mayonnaise?
Everything is made from scratch. I make my own mayo. I make my own vinegar. I make my own hot sauce.
I don't believe you.
You can try the sandwich and you...
Did you make the bread?
I don't bake the bread. It's too tight in here.
Too tight in there,
it's
yeah.
baked in Long Island City.
Is this where you where you work from?
Yes. We have another small room, but this is it.
Okay. Very cool.
Yeah.
A
But
CBD.
we definitely make the mayo from scratch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I heard
Pasteurize the eggs. We make everything.
you pasteurize them yourself?
Yeah.
What goes into pasteurizing an egg? I've heard
Exactly.
terrible things.
No, you just need the temperature control to make sure that it's safe to eat from.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And then you crack them open?
Yeah. Take the yolks, make mayo.
You make mayo from the egg whites.
No, from the yolks.
Just the yolk.
Yeah.
How does it get so white?
It's an emulsion.
An emulsion?
Emulsion.
You gotta use your imagination.
Emulsify.
It moves inside?
Come on.
What?
You emulsify
Oh, emulsify.
the yolks with
Squeeze those yolks?
the olive oil and you get mayo.
Well, I don't want to take any more of your secrets.
It's not a secret. Widespread recipe for making mayo.
How'd you learn? You're taught by the best? You YouTube it?
Sorry?
Did you go on YouTube?
I've been making mayo for many years.
For many years. Well, oh, that's my horn. I'm gonna go, but maybe someday I come by, order a CBD.
Enjoy. You have a good one.
Sorry. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't mean to take up too much of your time. Just trying to figure out which way this train is going. I'm simply guessing this way. If anybody could help me out, I'd like that. I'm dumb. I'm a dumb person. I come from dumb people. Nobody's gonna say anything.
It's right by the station.
Pardon. You know which way this train's going?
We're going downtown.
But is it going this way?
No, it's going that way.
Okay.
It is moving this way. That way.
All right, I got an appointment with the caboose here. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Hi. Sorry to startle you. What you doing?
Kind of experiencing what it feels like to have my head connected to my body.
Oh yeah?
Very interesting feeling.
Yeah. How's it feel?
Like it works.
Good.
How about you? You got any song for the day that you want to sing?
Yeah, man. I'm just getting to know. I'm recording a podcast
Right now?
right now, and I'm
At this moment?
at this very moment. I'm gonna edit this out, but I am asking people for $100 as a goof. And you look like a good specimen, but you're way more curious than.
But you know better.
I know better now, yeah, because your head is connected to your body. I didn't know that before.
I still have to see Dr. Feelgood, and he charges me a lot of money.
Oh yeah? Well, it seems to be working.
Well, you recommended it, if I remember.
I did? Well, I'm glad I did, because you have a great, radiant look in your face. And I mean that, yeah. Are you documenting some of this?
Yeah.
Great. Well, me too.
Live and be well.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Nature works.
Nature works? Okay.
Life works.
That's great. Thank you.
Okay.
All right. Nice talking to you.
See you later.
See you.